Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your iPhone 13. First, power on your new device by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once it boots up, you will see the Hello screen. Swipe up to begin. Next, select your preferred language and region. Then, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to proceed with the setup process. Review the data and privacy information, which explains how Apple protects your personal data, and tap Continue to move forward. Now let's talk about transferring your data. If you have another iPhone nearby, you can use Quick Start to wirelessly transfer your app's data and settings automatically. Simply place your old iPhone next to the new one. Alternatively, you can restore from an iCloud backup, which is a great option if your previous device was backed up to the cloud. For those coming from an Android device or wanting a wired transfer, you can move data from a Mac or PC. Or choose Don't Transfer Apps and Data for a completely fresh start. Next, you'll set up your Apple ID and security features. Sign in with your existing Apple ID, or if you're new to Apple, you can easily create a new one right on the device. This ID is crucial for accessing services like the App Store and iCloud. Then, set up Face ID for secure facial recognition, allowing you to unlock your phone and authorize purchases with just a glance. You will also create a 6-digit passcode as a backup security measure. Finally, enable location services for apps that need your geographical position. To finalize your setup, you will review and agree to Apple's terms and conditions. Next, you can customize settings for Siri, Apple's voice assistant, and set up screen time to monitor your device usage. You'll also decide whether to share analytics data with Apple, which helps improve their services. Once these steps are complete, your iPhone 13 is ready to use. You can then personalize your home screen and download your favorite essential applications from the App Store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.